Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Profitec espresso machine, and we replaced this relay. It often goes bad in the machine, and when it goes bad, the machine often won't heat or it overheats. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. Here's our shot of espresso. And let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. Let's test the hot water. Hot water works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.